following areas in New Jersey: Hudson, Eastern Bergen, Eastern Essex, and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, and Southern Nassau. Blizzard warning in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Tuesday night. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Locations: Metropolitan New York City and New Jersey, Western Long Island, Southern Westchester, Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Northern Middlesex, and Northern New London counties. Hazard types: heavy snow and blizzard conditions. Snow may mix with or change to sleet and rain across southern and eastern coastal areas late Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. Snow accumulations: 12 to 20 inches, highest amounts to the north and west. Snowfall rates: 2 to 4 inches per hour early Tuesday morning into early Tuesday afternoon. Timing: late tonight into Tuesday evening. Impacts: dangerous travel due to whiteout conditions at times. Several roads may become impassable. Power outages possible. Damaging wind gusts possible across Long Island and coastal Connecticut. Winds: northeast 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts 40 to 55 miles per hour on Tuesday. Highest winds across coastal areas. Temperatures in the upper 20s. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making